Welcome to Mind, Body, and Vibes. What if your kitchen was the most powerful pharmacy on earth? For thousands of years, our ancestors healed themselves with plants, spices, and simple ingredients. Today, science is proving what they knew all along. Here are 10 natural remedies you can make at home right now. Number 1, the golden anti-inflammatory elixir, fresh ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and honey. This combination reduces inflammation by up to 40%. The black pepper activates the curcumin in turmeric, making it 2,000% more bioavailable. Number 2, the immune shield. Crushed garlic steeped in raw honey for 5 days. Allicin in garlic fights infections, while honey soothes and heals. 1 teaspoon daily during cold season can reduce illness duration by half. Number 3, the morning detox activator. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in warm water with lemon. This alkalizes your body, improves digestion, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Drink it first thing in the morning for optimal results. Number 4, the natural pain reliever. Peppermint essential oil diluted in coconut oil. Applied to temples, it relieves tension headaches as effectively as pharmaceutical painkillers. The menthol increases blood flow and relaxes muscles. Number 5, the deep sleep mist. Chamomile and lavender essential oils in distilled water. Sprayed on your pillow before bed. Studies show this combination reduces sleep onset time by 35% and improves sleep quality. Number 6, the gut healer. Fresh aloe vera gel blended with lemon juice. This soothes inflammation in the digestive tract and promotes healing of leaky gut. Just 2 tablespoons daily can transform your gut health. Number 7, the metabolic regulator. Half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon in your morning coffee or tea. This spice mimics insulin and can lower blood sugar levels by up to 29% in diabetics. Number 8, the respiratory clear. Boiling water with eucalyptus essential oil. Inhale the steam for 10 minutes to clear congestion, reduce sinus inflammation, and fight respiratory infections naturally. Number 9, the toxin extractor. Activated charcoal mixed with bentonite clay and water. This powerful combination draws out toxins, heavy metals, and impurities from your skin and body. Number 10, the viral defense. Elderberry extract with honey and ginger. Clinical studies show this can reduce flu symptoms by 4 days and boost antibody production by 300%. These 10 remedies are just the beginning. Nature has provided everything we need to heal. Start with one, master it, then add another. Your body knows how to heal. You just need to give it the right tools. Subscribe to Mind, Body, and Vibes for more natural health secrets.